Yeah, 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 automatic. Yeah, always got it on me, baby, automatic. Yeah, where I'm at is static.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome once again in my YouTube channel. Hope every single person are fine. And Alhamdulillah, I'm very thankful to Allah that I'm able to brought this mobile. And I will share you guys. In every situation, you will thank to Allah that who will provide you money. You can buy anything else you want. So I will tell you what I purchased. So actually I was looking for 11 Pro Max, but for some reasons I didn't got in Oman and Pakistan and Dubai and USA. Yeah, so I decided to buy. Did you get it? No? Okay, I purchased 12 Pro. So I wish that I will unboxing with my YouTube family. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm very thankful, Allah, really. Oh my God, this is very nice. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We'll turn on it. Wow, mashallah. So this is my new mobile. Thanks to Allah that I'm able to purchase this one. Yeah, excited. So wish me a good luck. Hope guys, whoever loves me will be happy of my this achievement, and I'm very thankful to everyone whoever watching this video and celebrate the happiness with me. I don't have words, I can't explain that. So take care guys, hope to see you in the next video. Take care.